Koh Yao Noi is one of Thailand's best kept secrets, with peaceful vibes, stunning sunrises, rich wildlife, and hidden beaches with incredible views. It's quiet, unspoiled, and just a short boat ride from Phuket, but it feels like a whole different world. But how do you actually get there? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to get to Koh Yao Noi step by step, including boat options, schedules, prices, and tips to make your trip smooth. So if you're dreaming of a peaceful island escape, this is for you. Hey guys, we are Pat and Yumi and welcome to our Thailand adventure. We're here in Phuket Airport and we're on our way to Koh Yao Noi. It's going to be a scenic journey and we're so excited to share it with you. Once you land at the airport, your first mission is to get to Rong Pier. This is where all the boats to Koh Yao Noi depart. You can either take a traditional taxi or book a Grab, which is like Uber in Thailand. The ride takes about 40 to 50 minutes depending on traffic, and it usually costs around 500 to 600 baht. We booked a Grab because it's easier. You get the price up front and you don't need to worry about haggling. We're skipping Phuket entirely and heading straight to the pier. Let's go. We also recommend checking traffic conditions before heading out. If it's rush hour, the ride can take a little longer. Having some snacks or water in your bag helps too, especially if you're tired from the flight. Alright, we've arrived at Rong Pier. This is where you catch a boat to Koh Yao Noi. Just a heads up, when you get here, there's a 20 baht tourist fee that you'll need to pay before entering the pier. So make sure you have a bit of cash on you. Once you're in, you've got two boat options. The faster Speedboat, which leaves every hour from 8:40 a.m. to 5 p.m. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes ride and costs 400 baht per person. Or the slower but cheaper Longtail boat, which costs 300 baht. The ride takes about an hour and only departs once a day at 12:30 p.m. We are taking the Longtail boat today since it's the only one available right now. Either way, we're just excited to get to the island. If you're feeling hungry or thirsty, don't worry. There are stores near the pier that sell food, snacks, drinks, and even coffee. You can eat there or grab something before the boat ride. So this is what the Longtail boat looks like, and it's definitely not your usual ferry. All the luggage in our bags are stacked up on the roof, mixed with other bags, and even a few delivery boxes. It's all tied down, but yeah, definitely a different kind of travel vibe. But what really surprised us was the scooter park right at the front of the boat. This boat carries everything from people and bags to motorbikes. We love how chill and practical everything is. The boat ride itself is such a treat. Right as you leave the pier, you'll pass by lots of lush mangroves stretching along the shoreline, adding to that feeling of escaping into nature. You'll glide across calm green waters with nothing but open ocean and small islands in the distance. It already feels like you're leaving the busy world behind. If you're sitting alongside of the boat, expect a little sea spray. It's not much, but enough to cool you off a bit. Try to grab a spot closer to the middle. But honestly, no matter where you sit, the views are amazing all around. The whole ride takes about an hour, but it honestly flies by. So yeah, this part of the trip is not just transport. It's an experience in itself. A calm introduction to the kind of pace you'll find in Koh Yao Noi. The moment you arrive in Koh Yao Noi, you'll feel it. It's completely different from Phuket. No crowds, no chaos, just peaceful roads, kind people, and a much slower pace of life. We just got off the boat and it already feels so peaceful here. It's quiet, laid back, and we're excited to explore more. Right after you get off the boat, you'll see these local taxi trucks waiting near the pier. They're basically pickup trucks with covered roofs and bench seats in the back. Super simple, super efficient. All you need to do is hop in, say the name of your hotel, and that's it. They know exactly where to go. No need for Google Maps or hotel addresses. It feels like the whole island is one small friendly neighborhood. And honestly, it's a fun little intro to the island. You'll pass by rubber tree forests, small local shops, amazing beach views, and get a peek into the daily life here. We are in the back of this local taxi heading to our hotel. It is such a cool and laid-back way to travel. The breeze feels amazing and you'll get to see the island up close. So yeah, nothing fancy but super easy and a really nice way to start your stay in Koh Yao Noi. Before we wrap up, here are a few things to keep in mind. First, bring enough cash. There are only a couple of ATMs on the island and none at the pier. Also, Koh Yao Noi is a Muslim community, so it is a good idea to dress modestly when walking through the villages. And finally, the best time to visit is during the dry season. From November to April, you'll get the best beach days and calm seas. So that's how you get from Phuket to Koh Yao Noi. From the airport to the pier, to the boat, and finally to this peaceful little island. We've covered the different transport options, prices, what to expect on the ride, and even some first impressions once you arrive. If you're looking for a slower, quieter experience in Thailand, Koh Yao Noi is 100% worth the trip. Whether it's the laid-back vibe, the untouched nature, or just the calm after the buzz of Phuket, it's a perfect little escape. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because we've got more Thailand travel guides coming your way. And in the next one, we'll be covering our full Koh Yanoi travel guide with things to do, where to eat, and our favorite hidden spot on the island. And hey, let us know in the comments, what's the first thing you like to do when you arrive on a new island? See you in the next adventure.